Yesterday's class we have started the concept of ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, or in this topic we have studied how to form a differential equation, and different type of examples were discussed in the previous class. और उसके बाद we have started how to find out the solution of a differential equation, and discussed about the exactness of the differential equation. Exactness, और अगर कोई इक्वेशन एग्जैक्ट है तो उसका सोल्यूशन हमने फाइंड करा. नाउ आज के लेक्चर में वी शैल डिस्कस व्हेन द इक्वेशन इज नॉट एग्जैक्ट, देन हाउ टू मेक इट एग्जैक्ट. So in today's lecture we shall discuss the solution of an inexact equation by making it exact first. Now for this we have a concept or a definition, that is integrating factor. This is an important definition. Integrating factor is a factor which make an inexact equation an exact equation. ये वो फैक्टर है जो इनएग्जैक्ट इक्वेशन को एग्जैक्ट बना देता है, और उस फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करके वो एग्जैक्ट बन जाती है इक्वेशन, एंड then we can find out the solution directly as the method we have discussed in the previous class. In yesterday's class we have discussed that how to find out the solution by this method. This one, integration m dx keeping y constant plus integral terms of n not containing x with respect to y is equal to constant of integration. So this was discussed in the yesterday's class. Now suppose we have an equation, a small equation we have, that is y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. If we compare this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, you will see that the value of m is y and the value of n is minus x. And now you can find out the values of derivatives. This come out to be 1, and the value of n and the derivative of n with respect to x comes out to be minus 1. And see, both values are not same. So if del m by del y is not equal to del l by del x, then equation is not an exact differential equation. और अगर कोई इक्वेशन एग्जैक्ट नहीं है तो हम उसका सोल्यूशन फाइंड नहीं कर पाएंगे. For the solution of an inexact differential equation, first of all we have to make it exact differential equation. और एग्जैक्ट बनाने के लिए जिस फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसको इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर कहते हैं. जैसे we have the equation y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. So if we multiply this equation with 1 over y square, you will have this. And it can be written like this, that is the differential of x over y, because it is the u over v formula of derivative. And now it is an exact differential equation because we can integrate it. So integrate, you will get that x over y, and integration, after integrating you will have the solution like this: x over y is equal to c. This is the constant of integration. And just see, now this is the equation, and the equation is like this: y dx minus x dy over y square is equal to 0. Now अब हम कंपेयर करें तो वैल्यू ऑफ m come out to be 1 over y and the value of n come out to be minus x over y square. Now we can find out the partial order derivative. Del m by del y is minus 1 over y square. Finding out the derivative with respect to y. and then n by del x is minus 1 over y square. Now both the derivatives are same, so the equation become an exact differential equation now. Just see, both derivatives are same. So यही exactness की condition होती है that del m by del y is should be equal to del n by del x. This should be x. So if del m by del y is equal to del n by del x, then the equation become exact differential equation, and straight away we can find out the solution like this. So this is the process. It means 1 over y square is said to be an integrating factor. So the integrating factor in this question is 1 over y square. Similarly, if we have we have the same equation y dx minus x dy equal to 0. This is the second example we can take. This is the same equation I am taking. Just see, this is the same equation and this was not exact because their partial order derivative with respect to y of m and the derivative of n with respect to x was not equal in this case. So again the equation is not exact, but if we multiply this equation with 1 over x square, so you can write down like this. It can be written as differential of y over x equal to 0 in that case. Now the equation is again exact and we can find out the solution. The only difference is जो लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन था उसमें हमारे पास सोल्यूशन आया था x over y is equal to c, but now the solution is y over x is equal to c. और अब हम दोबारा चेक कर सकते हैं इस इक्वेशन में कि ये एग्जैक्ट बना या नहीं बना. So the value of m is the coefficient of dx, so y over x square, and the value of n is minus 1 over x. So del m by del y is 1 over x square and del n by del x is minus minus plus, that is 1 over x square. Now both derivatives are same and equation becomes an exact differential equation. तो एग्जैक्ट बनाने के लिए हमारे पास इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर टर्म है. सो इसी सेम क्वेश्चन में अब इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर 1 ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल के लिए हमारे पास एक से ज्यादा इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर भी आ सकते हैं जो इक्वेशन को एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं. सिमिलरली वी कैन टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन by taking the same, just like again suppose the same differential equation which was not exact. So when we multiply this equation with 1 over xy, you will have this equation and this will be dx over x minus dy over y is equal to 0, and you can integrate it. You will have log x minus log of y is equal to c. So log of x over y is equal to c, and when you remove log from here, you will have x over y is equal to e raised to power c. This is another constant. So this is another solution of the differential equation which was not exact, and in this case the integrating factor is 1 over xy. You can easily check that this will be an exact differential equation. You can check. So integrating factor is the factor which make an inexact differential equation an exact differential equation. This is the definition of integrating factor. Suppose we have another example. The example is like this. that is y minus 1 into dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Now you can compare the coefficients with the standard differential equation. M is y minus 1 and n is minus x. Del m by del y is 1. Del n by del x is minus 1. Now again both derivatives are not same. So the equation is not exact. So you can write down like this. The derivatives are not same. It means the equation is not exact differential equation. So for making it exact differential equation, we just have to find out an integrating factor. Now, after simplifying a little, this differential equation can be written like this: y dx minus x dy is equal to dx. After simplifying, and we have already studied the integrating factor of this term, and you can multiply this with 1 over x square as we have discussed in sub example number 2. Just see, we have discussed here about the integrating factor, that was 1 over x square. So now you can find out the differential, and differential of this term come out to be minus y over x, that is differential of minus 1 over x, because derivative of minus 1 over x will be 1 over x square dx. So differential of minus y over x will be this one. So you can easily say that the integrating factor of this equation is 1 over x square. Now you can integrate this equation, name it as equation number 1. So integrating 1, you will have minus y over x is equal to minus 1 over x plus a constant of integration. After simplifying a little, y comes out to be 1 minus cx. So this is the solution of a given differential equation. So कोई भी inexact differential equation को exact बना सकते हैं. अब हमारे पास we have 4 techniques for making an exact differential equation as exact differential equation. इन exact differential equation को exact बनाने के लिए we have techniques or formulas. The first formula is, if the equation is m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, is a homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation in x and y, then the integrating factor will be 1 over mx plus ny. So this will be your integrating factor. And let us certify it with the help of an example. The example is solve the differential equation x square y minus 2x y square into dx minus x cube minus 3x square y into dy is equal to 0. If we observe this equation, this is a homogeneous equation. Just see, homogeneous means the total degree come out to be same. Whole power is 2, whole power is 1. The total power comes out to be 3. So degree of this term is 3. Similarly, degree of this term is 1 plus 2, 3. This is also 3 and this is also 3. So that is why it is a homogeneous equation in x and y. So if this is a homogeneous equation, you can find out the integrating factor, and this is your value of a capital M, and this is your coefficient capital N. So the integrating factor is 1 over mx plus ny. So 1 upon mx, it come out to be x cube y minus 2x square y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 y square, 1 upon 2 x square. 1 upon 2 y square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, 1 upon 2 y square. 1 upon 2 x square, and this is x cube. You multiply n with y, so minus x cube y. This is a negative sign. So negative negative is positive. That is 3x square y square. This term is cancelled. So the integrating factor comes out to be 1 over x square y square. So multiplying equation number 1 with this integrating factor, multiplying 1 by 1 over x square y square. So the equation become x square y minus 2x y square over x square y square into dx. And the next term is negative. X cube minus 3x square y divided by x square y square dy is equal to 0. Now simplify a little. सेपरेट अगर टर्म्स आप ले लेंगे, इट बिकम्स 1 ओवर y एंड इट बिकम माइनस 2 ओवर x इंटू डी एक्स माइनस x ओवर y स्क्वायर minus 3 over y into dy is equal to 0. Now you can verify the exactness. So this is your m and this is your n. So del m by del y is minus 1 over y square, and this does not involve any y, so its derivative is 0. And similarly, del n by del x. So derivative of n with respect to x, this is a negative x, so that is minus 1 over y square. और इसमें कोई x नहीं है तो इसका derivative 0. Now you just see both derivatives are same, so the inexact equation becomes exact. और ये इनएग्जैक्ट क्यों है इसको भी आप शुरू में चेक कर सकते हैं. इनएग्जैक्ट चेक करने के लिए डेरिवेटिव ऑफ m विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, दिस वाज योर m, दैट इज x स्क्वायर minus 4xy, and derivative of n with respect to x is minus 3x square plus 6xy. Now both derivatives are not same, that is why the equation was not exact. And one more important thing is there for applying this integrating factor rule. mx plus ny should not be 0. ये कंडीशन है इस इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर का रूल लगाने के लिए. और अगर mx प्लस ny 0 आ जाता है तो हम फिर ये रूल नहीं लगा सकते. So in this case it is not coming 0. You can verify. Now this is the way. Let us check the value of mx plus ny. Mx is, that is x cube y minus 2x square y square and minus x cube y, and this come out to be plus 3x square y square, and this is x square y square not equal to 0. वो 0 नहीं आना चाहिए, ये रूल है, क्योंकि अगर डिनोमिनेटर 0 बन गया तो वो इन्फिनिट बन जाएगा. सो इन्फिनिट पॉसिबल नहीं है, इसीलिए ये कंडीशन है कि दैट 1 ओवर mx plus ny should not be 0. Now in our case the equation is exact, has been made exact by multiplying with 1 over x square plus y square. Now you can find out the solution of the equation. Solution of 2 is, name it as 2. Equation number 1 will be named as 1. Given equation is named as 1, and name the resulting exact equation as equation 2. Now you have done the solution method. Integration y constant, integration of m 1 over y minus 2 over x dx plus terms of n not containing x. The first term contains x, so it cannot be taken here. It does not contain x, So it can be taken. So minus minus plus 3 over y dy is equal to constant of integration. Now you can integrate this with respect to x. So it come out to be x over y minus 2 log of x plus 3 log of y is equal to c. Now this is the required solution of the given differential equation after making it exact differential equation. So this is the important method for finding out the integrating factor. Now the second important method for finding out the integrating factor is if the equation is m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, the integrating factor will be 1 over mx minus ny, mx minus ny, mx minus ny should not be 0 क्योंकि 0 हो जाएगा तो वो इनफाइनाइट बना देगा. And how to identify that the this integrating rule we have to apply? This equation, when this equation is of the form y f1 of xy into dx plus x f2 of xy into dy is equal to 0. अगर कोई इक्वेशन इस फॉर्म में है तो we can apply this integrating factor rule. Now let us take an example. Solve the differential equation y xy plus 2x square y square into dx plus x into xy minus x square y square into dy is equal to 0. Now you just see y is there. So this is your f1 of xy and x is there and this is your f2 of xy. So this equation is of this form and we can apply this integrating factor rule, and here m is xy square plus 2x square y cube and your n is x square y minus x cube y square, and we can apply the integrating factor rule. Integrating factor is 1 over mx minus ny. So this is 1 over x square y square plus 2x cube y cube minus x square y square plus x cube y cube. Now this term can be cancelled. So this is 1 over 3x cube y cube. So denominator is non-zero. So this can be applied in the differential equation 1. So this is the integrating factor. Multiply 1 by 1 over 3x cube y cube. We shall have the differential equation, and the differential equation will become 1 over 3x square y plus 2 over 3x into dx plus 1 over 3x y square, and this is a negative term, negative 1 over 3y into dy is equal to 0. Now this is the resultant equation, and name it as equation number 2. You can easily verify that this equation is an exact differential equation now. Just finding out the derivative. This is m, this is n. Del m by del y. So that come out to be minus 1 over 3 x square y square, and this is no y is involved here. So this will be 0. del n by del x, derivative of n with respect to x, minus 1 over 3 x square y square, and no x is involved here, so its derivative with respect to x will be 0. Now you just see both have same values, so the equation will become an exact differential equation. So therefore the solution of 2 is integration of m dx, that is 1 over 3 x square y plus 2 over 3x into dx, keeping y constant, plus terms of n not containing x. This term containing x, so it cannot be taken here. So this is minus 1 over 3y dy is equal to constant of integration. Now integrate it, and you will get that the integration will be with respect to x. So 1 over 3y x raised to power minus 1 over minus 1 plus 2 by 3 log of x minus 1 by 3 log of y is equal to c. So minus 1 by 3 xy plus 2 by 3 log of x minus 1 by 3 log of y is equal to c. And you just see 3 is common in the denominator. So minus x minus 1 over xy plus 2 log of x minus log of y is equal to 3c. Now this is a new constant, and this constant can be named as c dash. So this is your required solution of the given differential equation by using second method of integrating factor. So this is another important method or another important technique for finding out the solution of a differential equation with the help of integrating factor. So I conclude my class here. We shall continue tomorrow. Thank you very much.